welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today we're going to walk through my digital reset routine, a gentle monthly practice that helps me quiet the noise, clear my digital space, and return to what actually matters. No pressure, no overwhelm, just a calm reset. Most of the time, digital overwhelm doesn't come from tasks. It comes from noise. Tabs, notifications, old notes. We don't need any more. A reset is not about cleaning everything. It's about honesty, about choosing what truly deserves space in your life. And now, let's begin. First, I clear the surface. I close every tab, every distracting window, and leave only what matters today. It feels like opening a window in a stuffy room. Then, I gently review my week. In Notion, I look at what I finished, what no longer matters, and what can be released. Removing old tasks creates a surprising amount of clarity. Next, I reset my daily notes space in Obsidian. I move important thoughts into their places, close small loops, and leave a fresh, open page for the new week. After that, I sort my files. Screenshots, drafts, documents. I keep only what is meaningful. Everything else, I release without guilt. And finally, I choose one gentle intention, not a goal, not a demand, just a feeling I want to carry into the next few days. A small step, but a helpful one. If you want to create your own digital reset, here are a few simple steps that anyone can repeat. Close everything you don't need. Let your mind breathe. Remove all tasks that no longer represent who you are today. Move important ideas into one calm space, one home for your thoughts. Clear your desktop and downloads. A clean space softens your inner world. And choose one intention, something small, that supports you gently. Here's how it looks in real life. A few closed tabs, a fresh daily note, a simple list for the week. and one calm feeling that guides the next steps. Nothing dramatic, just space and quiet support. A digital reset isn't about perfect order, it's about breathing. A small pause between what was and what comes next. A gentle return to yourself. Let's keep it simple. A soft reset, a clearer mind, a gentle rhythm you can return to. This is how your digital life begins to feel like a peaceful place again. If this brought you even a moment of calm, feel free to like and subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.